Louie Dance is brought to you by Absolute Pure Distilled Drinking Water. Pure water, pure love. The top stories in our countdown are brought to you by Malayan Insurance. Insure to be sure.
So, all request edition ng ating sidetrack tonight, Joey?
Tama yun, Cherry at Martin. Lahat ng items natin ngayong gabi ay request ng ating mga viewers at nagkataon, may isa pang common sa kanilang lahat, ang salitang superstar. If you remember, we already featured a listing made by CNN.com of the best Asian films of all time. Gordon Doria sent us a link that points to a follow-up on that story. CNN will honor one Asian film as the best of all time. Mangyayari ito sa Australia on November 11, 2008. At tinawag itong the Asia Pacific Screen Awards. Namili na sila ng 10 nominado mula sa original list na pinakita natin noon. At kasama dito ang Himala ni Ismael Bernal na pinagbidahan nga ni superstar Nora Honor. You can now vote online and the voting closes on Friday, October 31. Suportahan natin ang Himala online.
Buhay si Ate Guy.
So, all the votes are through the internet?
Sa online lang yung voting, so kailangan puntahan nila yung site ng CNN.com para naman suportahan natin itong pelikula.
Of course.
Isa lang nakapasok na pelikulang Pilipino, suportahan na natin yan. At nagkataon, nagpadala rin ng email request itong si Louie Nashelski. Ang hiling niya, i-mention ng site na ito, ang superstarstruck.weebly.com. Isang blog para sa mga super fanatics ng superstar na si Nora Honor around the world. Thanks for the link, Louie. At dyan may kita rin meron ding kampanya dyan para doon sa pelikulang Himala.
Dapat mag-alagabi na rin siya, no? Bumalik siya dito.
Comeback.
Yeah.
Naghihintay pa yata ng yung actual release. May green card pero wala pa na yung actual release. And for our last item tonight, usapang superstar pa rin. Here's a video from YouTube called Little Superstar. Hindi ito si Ate Guy pero marami na rin itong fans online.
Ano yan, pre? Balik na.
Oh, who are these guys? Lala. It's Holiday.
Magaling sumayaw itong guy na to.
You know, that song is sang by Michael G.
Is it Indian?
Indian? Parang yung character sa James Bond.
Parang naka-animating video.
So funny.
At hindi nag-iisa yung video na. Isa ito sa series ng video sa sumasayaw yung batang yun doon. So dapat
Bata
i-check
ba
nyo na sa
talaga?
YouTube.
Martin, pakita mo nga yung moves mo.
So that was requested through email by Jordi Agapito. And if you want to send links and other requests like Jordi, just email us at 10@tv5.com.ph. You can also join the 10 The Evening News group over at Facebook. So keep on sending those links. Salamat!
At also, Jovi, nagpadala rin sa atin ng email through our email address here on 10. Ang daughter ni PCGG Chairman Camilo Sabio, na si May Sabio, and she was just reacting to one of our stories before regarding the chairman's visit, official visit to Vienna. At clarify lang niya na official visit daw yun, and it was planned a long time ago. So thank you, May, for the feedback, and keep on sending us those emails.
Thank you, May. And I like your Nora story. I just miss Nora Honor.
Marami
Hintayin natin ang
nakakamiss
pagbabalik.
kay Ate Guy.
And your Lola, no? 100 years old?
Yes, my grandma-in-law is 100 years old, and she's
And?
the biggest fan of Nora Honor.
Grabe.
Biggest
Sobrang,
fan.
Ayaw kay Ate V.
Ayaw kay Ate Guy.
sobrang healthy Lola. At talking about health, back to our countdown, the health department is going to be busy with toys this Christmas season. Hindi po para ipamigay sa mga batang paslit, kundi para i-test kung may nakakalalasong lead ang mga laruan. That is our story number 3 from Fiona Rosario.